they do go right on, you know.
That's a good picture right there. Like when you had the sailboat that time? What?
That's an old one. That'll be a 56 Chevy. 56 Chevy. I think if I said to you, you know what to put the gas in that car, you would put it You would, 56 Chevy, yeah. Right next to that. You know, you put it in.
The license plate.
I still say you would.
The license plate. License plate.
Right? You only be a car, but like...
You have to look at it first.
You will find it.
Under the hood. In the trunk. Inside the car. Don't tell me. The dashboard. The dashboard.
What? Well, you sit there, go ahead. What'd you read? Oh, all full. What do we have?
You got more. The one that's Walmart was last. What? Well, we'll take this Saturday. Because we don't have money to stay the night.
We were going to meet halfway, but we would spend the night overnight there.
Oh, I thought that's what you said. Quick, you still want to what's that?
Yeah.
Over there.
Sure. Can you imagine? What do you want? I'll take it from the You gotta walk up to the walk.
You got the boots on there, right? Yes, you can. Make a really long one. I mean, it's deep. Richie said it's deep enough for him to go 7 inch. No, yeah, no, he can't. He's the one with the boots. They're not rain boots. But this what where he can get more protection than all of us.
Yeah, but I got a bad eye.
I don't know, you got a good eye now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's a good What did you say? What now? Huh? I said, what did you say? Huh?
My mother spoke to the DA.
What did you say? I don't remember now. Something about feet.
Did you tell Mama how crooked that truck was driving the other day?
No.
Well, it was actually going down the road sideways.
Ma'am, I think he was just seeing things. Was it?
No, I was seeing it.
No, it really is. I just know it. It's not uncomfortable.
You want you to sit on my lap.
So hungry.
I thought about the shed.
The steam is aboard today. How much was that?
$2 to $4. It was cheap as they had.
That's good. It took that quick 5 minutes in the microwave, the whole pan, and I did a half a bag. And I cooked that real quick. Wow.
They say it's good with it. That lady's nails?
Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. The woman is right?
Yeah.
She has like a little story in her nails.
What's the story?
It's like a cabin on one nail, a mountain. It's like the beginning of snowfall.
Yeah. It's really neat. There's a little picture. Now, like, if you looked at it quick, it would move on.
How should you know? Somebody did it.
I mean, there was a lot of work in there.
Yeah. With a little cabin and then
yeah.
Cool. And they were really good.
watch on TV tonight?
I know there's something on Tuesday at 10. I don't know what it is. I forgot.
We have the second night.
Are there 2 games on there?
We have a double header today.
Can you say how you getting up there? Like what roads you're living on?
The engine's up about 87. Let's get it up to the finger rate.
This seems like a tiny little ramp.
You like right over it?
Yeah, kind of. But the motor might get stuck. Unless we want fast like this. But the road
That'd be fun having that thing going in and out of the sailboat. It ain't that fun. Put that in the water when you're nice in the sailboat. Yeah. Go from there.
Docking it?
Yeah.
Careful, man, my mosquitoes. It's going to go in the lake.
Put a rope out. Better go like a Lego guy, like a solid piece of wood that's good, clear stuff to make it look like it's clean behind.
Maybe he should have wooden legs.
Use clear plexiglass on it, mount them on there.
Maybe I should shrink you.